जब महिलाएं आएंगी एकेडमी में, और जैसे मैंने कहा कि ऑफिसर ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी चेन्नई में महिलाएं पहले से है, तो सिर्फ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कुछ अलग से हमें बनाना पड़ता है ताकि उनके जो खास रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको हम पूरा कर सकें। लेकिन जहाँ तक ट्रेनिंग का सवाल है उसमें कोई फ़र्क नहीं होता। Yes, absolutely. There will be no difference in the training standards, and we are already following the same regime at the Officers Training Academy in Chennai. The squads for the training are all mixed squads. They do all the training together.
So this is Sushant from Indian Express. NDA admitting women can be one of the initial steps. Where do you see women in armed forces, say 20, 30 years down the line?
I think 40 years down the line, they could be standing where I am standing. पुन्हा एकदा सायबर बद्दल. Now, cyber security is indeed a very important issue, and we are addressing this at various levels, right from the training, not only at the academy, but I feel that we should also be training our children and educating our children at home on this very important aspect. And within the armed forces, at various levels, we keep having workshops, we keep having seminars, and we bring home very strongly the point that how cyber security is very important to maintain our operational preparedness and not leak out anything to our adversaries. थिएटराइजेशन की जो प्रक्रिया है वो जारी है। ये एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण और बड़ा कदम होगा, और इसीलिए इसके ऊपर जो भी हम कार्रवाई करेंगे वो बड़ी सोच विचार के साथ करेंगे और धीरे धीरे करेंगे, लेकिन थिएटराइजेशन होगा। We already have women as soldiers in the Corps of Military Police. They have been there for the last 1 year now after having finished their initial training. And these women CMP Jawans have been posted to both field and peace areas. And once again, they are doing extremely well. As we go ahead in a very step-by-step manner, we will see how we can further enlarge on this.
May I request media now? Okay, I will take it as a last question.
Yeah. So, sir, good morning. This is Pratibha Chandran from Sahara Sabha. You have witnessed 40 years of tenure in the uniform and seen many technological changes and other changes in terms of training, warfare, etc. How do you see the futuristic warfare would be, and how India is prepared for it?
The character of war has been changing over the years, and over the years technology has come to play a more and more important role in the way wars are prosecuted, and that will always be the way forward. As far as induction of technology into the armed forces are concerned, I would like to reiterate that we are in no way behind as compared to any developed or developing country in the world. We have the best of the equipment that is available, and it will be very heartening to know that most of this state-of-the-art technology and systems, especially in dealing with IT-related and surveillance-related equipment, has been bought from Indian companies, from small startups, from MSMEs, who are contributing in a great way to enhancing the capabilities of the Indian Army and in the Indian Armed Forces, in fact, and they're also contributing to the vision of a Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you very much.
लाल मातीतली कुस्ती म्हणजे